RAKBANK Review, my honest experience with UAE's top digital bank for 2025. The banking landscape is evolving fast and RAKBANK is at the center of that digital transformation. I recently tested RAKBANK's online and mobile services to see if it truly lives up to its reputation, and here's my honest review. Most people think traditional banks can't keep up with fintech innovation, but the surprising truth is that RAKBANK has blended both worlds impressively well. Opening an account took less than 15 minutes through their app, fully digital, no branch visit needed. Once inside, the user interface stood out immediately. It's modern, intuitive and packed with practical features like instant transfers, bill payments, and card management. I even use their mobile wallet for contactless payments across Dubai, smooth and instant. One of RAKBANK's biggest strengths is its customer service. Their in-app chat support responded within minutes, and unlike many competitors, they actually solve issues quickly. For personal banking, they offer competitive savings rates, zero-fee current accounts, and easy access to credit cards. For businesses, RAKBANK provides digital onboarding, trade finance tools, and cross-border payment support, ideal for SMEs and freelancers. Fees are transparent, and the app includes spending insights to help manage finances better. However, I did notice occasional app slowdowns during maintenance periods. In short, RAKBANK isn't just keeping up, it's leading the digital banking revolution in the UAE. Whether you're a resident, expat, or entrepreneur, it delivers flexibility, speed, and security that make everyday banking effortless.